nature adventure. I am so excited. Alright guys, it's time to go. Follow me, everybody. Alright everyone, it's time to meet a new visitor. Come on up. Here it is, Normal Fox, my friend. Hi everybody, I am so excited to join us in nature adventure. Now come on, friend, let's go. Like the Mario. Yeah, like the Mario. Wow, I can see the ocean. Look at all those trees. Hey, I see people canoeing. That looks so awesome. You try canoeing too. I'm afraid I'm getting my fur wet. That's okay. Is that a bunker? I don't know. Is someone gonna live in there for a long time? Tell us guys if this is a bunker or not. Alright, time to continue our nature adventure. Follow us everybody. I think I see a squirrel. Hello squirrel. I wonder how I'll get up there. Of course squirrels climb trees. All squirrels do. I never know that. I have a good idea, friend. What is it? How about we take a shortcut? A shortcut? That's a bad idea. One could take a shortcut anyways. Friend, wait! Come back! Oh no, guys. A Normal Fox take a shortcut. I don't know where she went. Can you guys help me find her? Good. Come on, let's go find my friend. Follow me, everybody. Oh, I'm so worried. Snow will never find me. I'm such a good hider. Ooh, a map. This might be useful. I'm right here. Maybe I can go right all the way over here. And the snow owl will never know if I'm there. I am so easy peasy. I don't know where my friend went. Maybe she went this way, or maybe this way. I don't know, I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. Friend, where are you? My friend will never find me. I'm so good at hiding. I could continue on my adventure. If I can't find Normal Fox when I'm walking, maybe I'll try to find Normal Fox when I'm flying. Here we go. No, I think no one else finally found me. I gotta think swim fast. Aha! Perfect. I can't find a Normal Fox everywhere. Where is Normal Fox? Ah! You scared me. Sorry. It's okay. Just don't do that again, okay? I wonder who played with this tree. I have no idea. How about let's go back to the car so we can get into our nature adventure because I need a snack. See me too. Come on. Up we go. Okay, that'll be the end of our nature adventure. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hope you have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye.